Right. Our problem is to compute this integral. This being a differential equation class, we're going to change it to a differential equation, which is just, what's happened there? X cubed equals e to the 2x. We're going to make a guess at a solution is a x cubed plus 2, plus just bx squared plus cx plus d e to the 2x. So let's take the derivative, y prime. The derivative of the polynomial part is 3a x squared plus 2bx plus c, and the d drops out because it's constant, plus, and then I'm going to have a x cubed, polynomial part, plus bx squared plus cx plus d times e to the 2x times 2 by the chain rule, and that is now 3a x squared plus 2bx plus c e to the 2x, and I'm now going to distribute that 2 in. 2a x cubed plus 2b x squared plus 2cx plus 2d e to the 2x. Now I'm going to combine and group by powers of x. So first, for an x cubed term, there is only one x cubed term, and that's this one. So I'm going to have 2a x cubed. Now for x squared terms, I have this one and this one. So that is going to be plus 2b plus 3a. Is that right? Let's see. Yeah, plus 3a x squared. Let me check. 2b, 3a. Plus, now for the x's, I have this term and this term. So that's going to be plus 2c plus 2bx plus, and now for the constant terms, I have the 2d and I have the c here. So plus 2d plus c. And that's all times e to the 2x. And let me check that last constant term too. I have a 2d and a c. All right. And now our target function is just x cubed e to the 2x. So this is going to give us a bunch of equations, all easy fortunately. 2a is equal to, I want that to be 1. The next one is going to be 2b plus 3a, and there's no x squared term, so that's 0. Then that's what we just did. For the x term, that is going to be 2c plus 2b equals 0. And then finally, for the constant terms, I'm just going to have, I guess I just have to worry about that. That's going to be 0. And so I get 2d plus c equals 0. Solving these, I get a equals 1/2. Then this says b equals minus 3 over 2 times a, which is going to be minus 3/4. C then, from this equation, is going to be minus b, so that's going to be 3/4. And now finally d, from this equation, is going to be minus 1/2 c, and that is what? Minus 3/8. So I get for my solution then, y is 1/2 x cubed minus 3/4 x squared plus 3/4 x minus 3/8 e to the 2x plus a constant of integration. Now let me just make the remark here, since our equation is y prime, y prime equals, well, what was it? X cubed e to the 2x. This is a particular solution here. Let's see. This thing here is a particular solution to this equation, and y sub c equals just c times 1 is the general solution to the homogeneous equation y prime equals 0. So if we wanted to, we could fit that into our theory. All right. I don't know that this is particularly easier than integrating by parts lots of times, but it's interesting that it works, and for some problems it does work more easily.